This is it. Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Shante. Oh my god, what am I even saying? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I'm getting ready to go to nowhere actually. I'm just going to dress up and chill at home, but I'm still going to call it a get ready with me because I'm getting ready and you guys are with me. You get the drift. Video I have in the background my baddest photographer friend, Thejohndurodola. He has taken some of the most amazing pictures that I have so far, and also my sister that I haven't seen in a while. So they're all in the background, and in today's video we're going to really be chatting, so you guys can just enjoy. Let's get right into this glam. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to be fixing my brows very quickly with the trusted, tried and ever reliable Davies pencil. This pencil goes for just 100 naira and it creates bomb brows, I tell you. So now that I have the outline, I'm going to quickly clean up my brows with the Colourpop's concealer and this brush. Okay, so my brows are done. I try not to waste so much time fixing my brows. I don't want them to be perfect. I just want them to be okay to look at, and that's exactly just what I've done here. So let's move quickly to the eye makeup that I'm going to be rocking today. As usual, I'm going to be starting first of all using the Ewaronke eyeshadow base. You guys know how much I love this base, and yes, I actually forgot to clean my nails. I'm so sorry. Like, I told myself I was going to clean them before I came on camera. I was going to really, and you did not tell me. But I'm here now and I just remember that, oh, I did not do it. Please, you guys will have to manage it, please. Yeah, I'm very bad with my nails, and that's something I'm consciously trying to work on, but I'm not there yet. So I'm taking a bit of the primer. So I've taken my time to blend the primer on my eyes. John, are you watching what I'm doing?
Definitely.
Because next time you're the one that will do my makeup. Definitely.
Teaching me small.
And now I'm going to go into the palette that I'm going to be using today. This is from Beauty Planet. It's called the Glazing Fire palette. I've had this for a while and I'm just getting around to using it. They say that it has a 3D effect. I don't know what that means, but so what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be taking this color. It's called Angelic. It's called Angelic. No. So I'm going to be taking Angelic with a tight fluffy brush, and I'm going to be putting that in my. I'm going to be packing and concentrating that in my inner and outer corner. Oh, the palette has a mirror. Nice. That color is actually really pigmented. Like, it is pigmented and it's laying on smoothly. How about if I told you guys that this is the completed eye makeup look and you guys can come and go into your house?
Lie. I beg.
No, I'm only joking. No, we are not done. But this can be a look, you know.
Thing is, actually, if we're going for very creative photography looks, I mean, it could have.
It can be a look.
Yeah, actually.
And then you know what? I've given you one editorial idea.
No, so.
Come and pay me. Get out. Anyways, to blend out this craziness that we have going on, I'm going to be going into the shade Earth Color. As the name implies, it is an earth color, and what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be using that to blend out the edges of this red that I've applied and trying to connect it with the inner corner one. This one that I said should be learning something is just pressing phone. My
sister.
I actually like how the colors in this palette, how they are blending. Impressive. I'm going to go back into the first color that I used just to get back some of the color that I might have lost while blending. And then I'm going to blend again. Okay, so now that this has been blended, I'm going to be going into the shade Fingers Crossed. I'm going to be tapping onto it with my hands to see how, or my fingers, to see how that applies. Wow. Wow. We got some pigment. Can you say that? Like, okay, so this palette is actually pigmented. And there is hardly any fallout. I mean, there's some kickbacks, especially with the first color that I used. But I'm surprised, really. I'm just going to use a brush to blend or to apply that very well. So I want it in the middle and I'm concentrating it just there, like so. This
is actually looking pretty good.
I do only pretty stuff, boo.
I beg.
So to blend out the shimmery color and the first color that I placed, I'm going to go back into that first color just to make sure that there are no harsh lines.
So seamless transition.
Exactly, you get there, that's the word.
Because when we're editing on Photoshop as well.
John said seamless transition. I said, oh, get it. He thinks he has gotten it. Duh.
Let me feel myself small.
I mean, this is already a look, but because I can be extra and annoying, I'm going to dip my hands into which one? Sunny Bunny. Yeah, just the same way I did for the first one. This one, I'm just going to put it on it just so that it can shine. Hey, I've spoiled it. I've spoiled it though. Because I used to see how Jackie, I know used to put colors on top of color. I said me too, I should do it. I've spoiled it. So I'm going to go back into that first color and I'm going to use that to blend all of these ones. I have to enter inside each other. Yeah. That's how we're gonna do it. Okay, so before my head tells me to do anything else to these eyes, I'm going to stop right here. Check will fine. It's alright. I can assure you that by the time I put on my foundation, it's gonna. Okay, let me wear my lashes. I'm going to be trying out this lashes. It's called Wispies, Feather Light and Loving, and this IMB lash glue is being retailed by Girly Essentials, an online makeup store in Lagos. And I was just sent this, so I'm going to be trying on these lashes to see if I like them. This is what the lashes look like.
The lashes look like.
The lashes look like. I don't know, English has left me these days, and since it's not my first language, I cannot keep myself a bit. So should I stack these lashes or nah?
Yeah.
Let's stack, right?
Yeah.
For drama.
Are these mink?
Wait, how do you know mink lashes? If I were to be your girlfriend, you'd be in trouble. You know mink lashes. That there's something they call hey. So while I'm waiting for the glue to dry for the lashes.
Yeah.
John, I think you should come and go to your house. Okay, so these are the lashes stacked on each other. This is my first time ever trying on stacked lashes. And it's not bad. My eyes kind of feel really heavy, so I don't know if I'm really into this stacking lashes thingy. My eyes are heavy and droopy, but they're alright. Last we'll be fine.
So perhaps if you're going to use the makeup for like long periods,
I won't stack lashes. So if I'm going to use it for a long period, if I were to wear this for like some hours, I won't do this because my eyes are going to really hurt. Let's set my brow bone area with this color called Nude. It's a very light pinky color, and I think it's going to just do well in highlighting my brow bone area. And just in case you're wondering what I'm going to do with this harsh line going on right here, I'm going to take that blending brush I used to apply the transition color, and I'm just going to use that to blend this color into my eyes till it disappears, just like that. Before we come back to the under eye, let's just get right into the face. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the YangaBeauty primer all over my face, all over, everywhere. Guys, I'm just misbehaving today. I don't know what I ate. You know how we rolled the illuminating spray from Soopro Cosmetics is what we're going to be using right now. You know this has to dry, yeah?
Yeah, so wait for it.
Just for some seconds. But I like the spray because it dries down very fast. And actually I can go with my foundation like this. Nothing is stopping me. I'm I'm going to go in with this Nicka-K stick foundation as my corrector. Just going to put that all the places that I have dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Guys, I have a lot of dark spots, so forgive me. That is why I'm doing this. It's probably too much, but who cares? The liquid illuminator from Oacosmetics, just for that dewy effect that we love so much. Jesus, I'm just pouring this thing everywhere. Am I normal? This is going to be blended with the Nuban Beauty sponge.
I think the sponge is amazing, actually.
Yeah, the
Really
Nuban Beauty
soft.
sponge is amazing.
Yeah.
Please, if you guys see me making funny faces and doing funny things because of my Instagram video, you guys will just be seeing bomb faces. You don't know what goes on in the background. Can you see how that blended out and covered all my spots? There's no time to be wasting my time in this video, eh? Please. And don't waste my wipes. Wipes is now very expensive.
How much?
So what yourself? 600 naira is very expensive.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
What's wrong with this boy? So this is your own makeup now. In your own face, you're doing makeup now. You're very silly.
I'm doing foundation.
Okay, so in case you guys are wondering how I met John the photographer, how did we even meet? I low-key think this boy has a crush on me though.
Sometimes.
Sometimes you have a crush on somebody sometimes, and then you don't have other times. Really? No wonder your girlfriend left you.
Hey, Jesus Christ. She's lying, you know. She's lying, you know.
Your girlfriend has left you.
She's lying, though. Wait, she's lying, she's lying.
Please get this thing off my face.
I think it was one Sunday like that. I was taking pictures, and then you came down from your car and you were like, snap me too.
Oh yeah, that's true. And I was like, you take me some pictures, and you're like, okay.
Pictures like.
And you know how it's like when you talk to a guy and it just becomes water. I swear that was what happened. It just became water. Like I'm like, hey, this boy. And he was quiet in our church. It was obvious he had a crush on me. But my brothers owned him.
That zone, is 05P.
I first made him realize that I'm his egg, no? We are not mates, okay?
Yes, mom.
I beg, I'm busy. You see, whenever I wear contacts, people just see the beauty. I mean, like halfway through my makeup, I become blind. Like, right now, I'm not seeing everything again. It's cloudy. This contact life is not for me, I swear. But the difference it makes in like your
it does
it's so
actually.
nice.
It does.
But I don't know, like I'm just painting from my head. I can't see again. Face is contoured and highlighted. Now it's time to set. So I just set my contour. I'm going to set my highlights now, and I'm going to be using the regular Sacha buttercup setting powder. So very simply for my under eyes, I'm going to be using the shade Jelly. You guys can see I didn't prime my under eyes, and the color is this pigmented. Hey, it's too much, yo. Jesus. We're trying to make this look cute. We're not trying to be so dramatic. This craziness has to go, so I'm going to be using the earth color that I used to blend everything out before. And if it still doesn't go by then, I'm going to be using powder. I don't want raccoon eyes. I don't want raccoon eyes. I'm just taking a little bit of the Sacha buttercup setting powder. So I'm using the YangaBeauty Attitude pencil under my eyes. I don't know why you always dancing whenever I say YangaBeauty.
Okay, I was stretching, but I was dancing. Both.
I've told you guys before, this pencil is actually really dark and it's soft. It doesn't poke the eyes, so it's really good. I can't see anything again. I'm serious, like I can't see. Hey.
So just frankly speaking, I'm just starting out in makeup. Like, how do I perfect my craft? I mean, how do I get better at it apart from, you know, practicing and all?
Well,
yeah, like
makeup, like if you're genuinely interested, I think you pick up a lot of things from watching people. Like you just keep watching, like I mean, you just keep watching. You never get tired. And if you're really interested in makeup, you won't be tired really. Just keep watching videos. Like you can watch up to 10 videos a day. You can give yourself a target, like say every day you watch an hour of makeup tutorials.
Okay.
I mean, that was what I did, and that was how I got to know everything that I know. When I didn't know cut crease, how to cut my crease, I'll watch videos on cut creases every day. And trust me, I'll still come in front of the camera or in front of the mirror to do a cut crease and it'll be crap. and I'll just keep watching. And one day it was like Eureka.
Okay.
I can never forget. It just became so clear to me. And most of the time, it will come from watching just one single video. And then one video, the person will do it in such a way that you'll just be like, oh, what have I been doing all my life? Buy whatever you can afford. Like even those cheapest makeup, like you'll be surprised that you can use them to practice to get better at your craft. At least the only thing that those cheapest makeup products won't do is that they won't last. Majority of them will still do the work you want them to do. Eyeshadow palettes are not good, can be really annoying, but at least you can still use them to practice.
Yeah, we're going to take that again.
That was just to calm the powder effects down so that I'm not looking too. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry before I move on to highlighting and contouring. No, what did I say? Before I move on to highlighting my face. I already highlighted and contoured. I don't know what I'm talking about. See how dirty my headband is? That's real life, guys. Makeup will mess up anything that you use as your headband. Like, it's so dirty, and this thing was very cute.
I'm telling you. Okay,
so before this dries down completely, I'm going to be highlighting my face with the Taos Cosmetics strobe pot. I really like this thing, but the fact that I like it does not mean that I should not be careful, because this thing will mess me up. It's not loyal. Powder highlighters, I fear them. Let's just leave it like this. Are we glowing to the gods yet? Okay, I like this glow that is going on. Watcha. While we are considering the lips to use, I'm going to be applying some blush, and I'm using this Nicka-K blush dough, the lightest color there. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Colourpop and Shayla's collaboration lipstick in Quickie. I'm going to be lining it with Colourpop's lip pencil in BFF3, and I'm going to be topping it up with the Oacosmetics lip gloss in Snow White. I know this nude isn't looking cute right now, but by the time I add some gloss on it, it's going to be sharper prime, whatever that means. And this is what we have so far. I'm going to go ahead now to spray my face with the YangaBeauty set to go, and I'm going to spray the whole of my face with that.
Is there a particular way to spray it?
So let's go fix up the hair, wear some clothes, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look. I really enjoyed creating this video with my hype man right here behind. No wait, let's do that again. I really enjoyed filming this video with my hype man right here beside me. Come on, get out, be serious. Like, it made it fun and it made it interesting. My usual self, I'll be filming and I'll be bored because I'll be alone and I'll just be serious. But my friend right here brought the life to the party today, and we're able to create this fabulous look. I'm loving this pink hair. Like, I'm so in love with it, but I don't know if I can wear it out on the streets without dogs barking at me. But this gorgeous thing is from La Poche Hair on Instagram. She hooked me up with this one, and I really love the color and how it is complementing my skin tone. I hope you guys really enjoyed this get ready with me chit chatting type of thing. I hope you guys really enjoyed this get ready with this chit chat get ready with me. Why am I talking like that? I don't understand. I hope you guys really enjoyed this chit chat get ready with me. It's late. And you were able to watch till the end, and you like this final look, forgiving me of my nails, my chipped nails that has been all over your faces all day. I'm sorry once again. Sean, are you normal? This is not French chips, French fries, or yam chips. This is chipped nails. Chipped nails. Chipped nails. Are we clear?
Yeah, we're clear.
Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me below. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. Like, why would you want to miss all this gorgeousness? Like, why? Why? Just go ahead and click that subscribe button. Yeah, with that being said, it's time to go now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go away! Oh my god! You're such a child. Bye guys.